Hello friend, 11th Science Biology Part 2nd. Our studying chapter is Animal Tissue. Today's third topic is a chapter Muscular Tissue. Muscular tissue. The cells of this tissue are elongated and are called muscle fibers. Each muscle fiber are covered by a membrane called sarcolemma. About 60 to 65% of body weight is bearing of muscle. The cells of muscular tissue is a like fiber, hence called as a muscle fiber. Each muscle fiber are covered by a membrane called sarcolemma. Sarcolemma is a covering of muscle fiber. Inside the cell's cytoplasm of muscle cells is called sarcoplasm. Sarcoplasm means is a cell fluid of muscle fiber. One or many nuclei present in the muscle cells depending on the types of myofibril are made up of protein, actin and myosin. Proteins are called actin and myosin. They have two capacity contraction and relaxation. Muscular tissue is known as contractile tissue because muscle have property contraction and relaxation. Then three types of muscle. First, skeletal muscle, also called as a voluntary or striated muscles. Another, smooth muscle is called as involuntary muscles or non-striated muscle. And third type of muscle is called as a cardiac muscle or also called as a heart muscle. So we start. First type of muscle is called as a skeletal muscle. These muscles are attached to a skeleton, hence called as a skeletal muscle. Another name of this muscle, voluntary. The all activity within our will are complete with the help of this muscle, hence called as a voluntary muscles. All activity in control in our will which are take place with the help of voluntary muscle is called as a voluntary muscles. The another third name of this muscle is a striated muscle. Striation are seen in this muscle is called as a striated muscle. Location. These muscles are found attached to a bone. Structure. Fasciculi. Skeletal muscle consists a large number of fasciculi. Fasciculi is a bundle of muscle fiber. Epimysium called as a fascia. Epimysium connective tissue sheath wrap around fasciculi. This covering is called as a fasciculi. Perimysium. Perimysium is a covering of each fasciculus. Myofibril. Many muscle fiber present in each fasciculus. Perimysium is the sheath of connective tissue surrounding bundle of muscle fiber. Myofibril muscle fiber present in each fasciculus. Sarcoplasm. Muscle cells cytoplasm is called sarcoplasm. The cell fluid of muscle fiber is called as a sarcoplasm. Sarcolemma is a outer covering of muscle fiber. Syncytial fiber. Several nuclei in each muscle fiber. Hence, it is called a syncytial fiber. Sarcoplasm contains large number of parallel arranged myofibril. Hence, nuclei get shifted to periphery. Sarcomere. Repeated functional unit of each muscle called sarcomere. Functional unit of muscle is called also myofibril. See lowermost brown color figure. One sarcomere, how to see? These are microscopic structure. In this structure, anisotropic band are seen. Anisotropic band is called as a band. Dark band in each sarcomere present in the center is called anisotropic band or A band. A bands are made up of myosin as well as actin. H zone or Hansen's zone, light area in the center of A band. This zone is called as a Hansen zone. This scientist name denoted Hansen's or called H band. M line, line present in the center of H zone called M line. I band or isotropic band, light band on either side of A band, they contain only actin. Isotropic bands pass light, hence called as a isotropic band. Same opposite anisotropic band. Light do not have pass in these fiber points called as a anisotropic bands, and pass light through these points is called isotropic band or A band. Anisotropic I band, isotropic band. Gel line or Jeschenscheib line, line separating two adjacent light bands, means line which are separate two adjacent band. In between these bands, Z line or Jeschenscheib line present. Muscle get striated appearance, dark and light band. In the striated muscle, cross striation are seen, dark and light. Many nuclei, 2 to 3 or 4 nuclei present in a single cell, because at the time of expansion or relaxation, these nuclei control the cell activity. Hence present 3 to 4 nuclei in each muscle fiber cells. Cross striation are seen, also called as a striated. Next, note red and white muscle. Two main types of skeletal muscle due to red pigment. Red muscle with very high amount of iron containing myoglobin. White muscle, very low amount of this pigment. Muscle get their oxygen from myoglobin as well as hemoglobin. This term denotes red and what is white muscle. So now what is the function of skeletal muscle or striated muscle? These muscles responsible for all voluntary movement. All voluntary movement we are completed with the help of these muscles. All kind of voluntary movements possible from help of skeletal muscle. These are first type of muscle, skeletal muscle or voluntary muscles, and striated muscle is another name of this muscle. Next type of muscle, smooth muscle or non-striated muscles, also called as a non-striated muscle. Location, these are found in inner wall of visceral organ and blood vessels. Inner visceral organ wall made up of this tissue muscle fiber called smooth muscle. Structure, these muscles are present in the form of sheets of layer. Sarcolemma is not distinct. Uninucleate muscle fiber appear to be multinucleate. Single nucleus is present. Adjacent muscle fiber join together to give branch appearance to the tissue. Point of adhesion of muscle fiber are formed by transfer thickening of sarcolemma called intercalated discs.